In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion template with ChatGPT, step by step, in a simple workflow that saves time and gives you a clean, organized template you can actually use. The best part is that ChatGPT can help you build the structure, the sections, the database properties, and even sample content, so you're not starting from scratch. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to understand is that this process is really a brain-to-build method. You give ChatGPT the idea, and ChatGPT gives you the architecture. Then you bring that structure into Notion and assemble the final template. This is especially useful if you want to create a project tracker, a content calendar, a habit tracker, a student planner, or any other custom workspace inside Notion. So the first step is to open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're in ChatGPT, think about what kind of Notion template you want to create. For example, you might want a project management template, a daily planner, a meeting notes system, or a client dashboard. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. Instead of just asking for a Notion template, tell ChatGPT exactly what you need it to include. A great prompt might look something like this. I need a Notion template for project management. Please provide 5 database properties, a page layout using Markdown with sections for goals, task list, and meeting notes, and a table with sample data for 3 tasks. This kind of prompt gives ChatGPT clear instructions, and it helps generate a layout that's much easier to copy into Notion. Now, when ChatGPT gives you the response, pay attention to the formatting. You want it to use Markdown wherever possible, because Markdown pastes very cleanly into Notion. Headings, bullet points, lists, and tables all work really well when they are formatted correctly. If needed, you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the output in a simpler structure, so it is easier to paste and organize. Once you have the content ready, go ahead and open Notion. In Notion, create a new page by clicking the plus icon in the sidebar. Give your page a clear title, like AI Project Tracker, Content Planner, or Weekly Dashboard. Naming the page properly helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to find later. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the content it generated for you. Then return to your Notion page and paste it directly into the editor. This is where the magic happens. Notion will usually recognize the structure and turn the pasted content into headings, lists, and sections that match your template layout. If something doesn't paste perfectly, you can quickly adjust it manually. From here, you can start customizing the template to fit your needs. For example, if ChatGPT gave you database properties like status, date, priority, and owner, you can create those inside Notion and match them to your workflow. If you want a task table, you can add sample rows and rename the columns to fit your system. If you want a meeting notes section, you can add prompts or callouts to guide how you use it each time. This is what makes ChatGPT so useful for Notion templates. It doesn't just save you time, it helps you think through the structure before you build. So instead of guessing what to add, you can ask ChatGPT to generate a framework that already includes the important parts. That means less setup, fewer mistakes, and a more polished result. You can also take this one step further by asking ChatGPT to create different versions of the same template. For example, you could request a minimal version, a detailed version, or a version designed specifically for students, freelancers, or teams. That way, you can compare layouts and choose the one that works best for your workflow. After you've pasted everything into Notion and made your edits, take a moment to review the page from top to bottom. Make sure the headings are organized, the sections are easy to understand, and the data table looks correct. Once you're happy with it, save the page and start using it as your custom Notion template. And that's it. You've now created a Notion template with ChatGPT. It's a fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly way to build useful workspace templates without spending hours designing them manually. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.